What's your take on having a mentor with your industry?
Mentors are really important. Talagang, yun nga, kung tatanungin ko yung mga tao, kung ano yung best teacher, malamang most will say experience. Ano yung best teacher sa life? Experience. Pero which is wrong. I mean, di naman totally wrong. Pero may mas better doon na teacher, which is experience ng iba. So, gagamitin mo yung experience ng iba as your guide. Kumbaga, kunyari may manhole nga, tas may nalaglag na dong tao. Yung tao na yun, sinabi sa'yo, na, Iho, wag ka nang maglakad dyan, mahuhulog ka sa manhole na yun. Shortcut ka na. You don't have to go through that struggle na. So, ganun ka-importante ang mentors. Shortcut, kumbaga. Ang gagawin mo na lang is yung gumana na. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-experiment kung gagana ba to, gagana ba to. Hindi na. Gagawin mo na lang yung napagdaanan nila, which is really important.
So